2 years ago, I bought these glasses for $40 and I showed you my unboxing. And I was surprised that I got a lot of people who watched that video. And I am totally still happy with them. They're doing very well, but my eyesight has changed. So I ordered a new pair. And honestly, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to handle them. So here is how it comes in the mailbox. Boom. They have really nice cases. This one I think is even thicker than the other case I had last time. And this is what it looks like inside. I will have a $5 off coupon in the description box if you choose to order from Zenni and you want to use my coupon. I think I get $5 and you get $5, so sounds good to me. Okay, so here are my glasses. Are you ready? I'm not sure if I'm even ready for this. If I don't like them, I'll still keep them. I'll put them in my car and I'll buy another pair because these, again, were only $40. These are actually cheaper. Yay! It says share a pic on social media. I'm making a video, so here they are. They come wrapped in the little wiper thingy. It's not as pretty as the last one was. If you want to watch my other video, I will link it up here. You can just click the eye and then click on the video. The other one was prettier, but that's all right. This one says Zenni Optical, and it's the same color, but the other one had a prettier picture. Okay, are you ready for this? This is what they look like. I haven't even tried them on or anything. Can I pull this off? Actually, I think I really like them. They kind of cover my eyebrows, but I don't know, I think they're kind of cute and they're purple. All right, and then we have make them sunglasses. You can see my light there. So what do you guys think? Can we handle this? Is this cool or is it too much? One thing that I liked about these were actually cheaper than my last ones. My last ones were $19 and these were $6.97 or whatever the cheapest ones are. But they have a coating on them that's blue light blocking. So when you're looking at your phone at night or whatever, and it messes with your melatonin, so you can't sleep, you can, what do you think? Yeah. This will block out all that UV whatever stuff that messes with your melatonin. So I thought I'd give that a shot, and I will let you know in another year or two how these went. But like I said, the other ones, these are still perfectly good. If it weren't for my eyes changing, I'd probably keep them, except for they have one little scratch right here, which probably had to do with either me putting them in my purse with my keys or my kids getting a hold of them and sliding them across the counter or something like that. So I think I'm digging these. I think they're pretty hipster. Might take me a while to get used to a different look, but there you go. There's those, and there's those. Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, I think my niece will like them. So there you go. Shout out to Casey. All right, guys. Like I said, there'll be a $5 off coupon in the description box if you want $5 off your order. And this isn't sponsored by them, but it is a referral link. So if you buy through them, then I get $5 towards my next purchase, which would be awesome. I would totally love that. And yeah, let me know how it goes for you. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.